Shalalala, shalala in the morning. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Auntie Shasha. Happy birthday! Auntie! Yan po na ga! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Congratulations, buntis ka na. Sana girl naman para ano, para may babae naman tayo sa family. Dagdag. Of course, mga outsider yung ano eh. Babae natin eh.
Ako naman para naman. Ay, happy birthday. Yun. Sana okay yung birthday mo. Maging masaya kayo ni Mark. Tsaka, last na birthday mo na hindi ka nanay. So, enjoy mo. Bye-bye. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sha. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. We miss you. Uwi ka na next year. Sana next year uwi ka na para ano? Para may kasama ng playmate si Binbin. Anyways, hope you have a great day today. And sana enjoy mo. Dahil you're older. Ayun na. Okay. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Shasha! Kanta! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Naka-red ako for you. Sha!
Drama.
Namimiss na kita siya. Sana, umuwi ka na. Luluto kita ng pansit siya. Lahat ng pansit. Lahat kasi ng pansit. Gagawa kita.
Tahan na. Oh, happy birthday na. Happy
Di
birthday.
bale. Andiyan naman si Mark mag-aalaga sa'yo. Kaya okay na. Mark, pagluto mo si siya ha. Birthday niya. Wala kami eh. Pero kahit wala kami, nandito ka sa puso namin. We are thinking of you. Ay, mali yata.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sha. Love you na.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Chi.
Hi. Say happy birthday. Happy birthday, Auntie Shasha. Happy birthday.